Hey foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something special for you. If you're craving something sweet but don't want to derail your weight loss journey, you're in the right place. We've rounded up some mouth-watering, low-calorie dessert recipes that won't compromise on flavor. Let's dive in. Greek yogurt brownies. First up, we have these fudgy Greek yogurt brownies. They're gooey, chocolatey, and only 91 calories per serving. Here's how you make them. Combine Greek yogurt, cocoa powder, a touch of flour, and a dash of sweetness. You can use monk fruit sweetener for a low-carb option. Mix until smooth, pour into a baking dish, and bake until set. Cut into squares, and voila, strawberry mango nice cream. Next, we're cooling down with strawberry mango nice cream. It's creamy, fruity, and oh so refreshing. Freeze ripe strawberries in mango chunks. Blend them together with a splash of coconut milk or almond milk. Serve immediately or freeze for a firmer texture. Easy peach cobbler dump cake. Now, who doesn't love a warm, comforting cobbler? Our easy peach cobbler dump cake is a winner. Layer canned peaches in their own juice in a baking dish. Sprinkle with a mixture of oats, almond flour, and a touch of cinnamon. Bake until golden and bubbly. Serve with a dollop of Greek yogurt. Chocolate avocado mousse. Last but not least, let's indulge in some chocolate avocado mousse. Trust me, you won't miss the heavy cream. Blend ripe avocados, unsweetened cocoa powder, a drizzle of honey, and a splash of vanilla extract. Chill in the fridge until it thickens. Garnish with shaved dark chocolate or fresh berries.